Good morning, dear students of class 9th. Beta, as you know that we have already completed so many chapters in class 9th, but still I am getting so many requests. So I am again preparing short answer type questions of chapter 1, in which I have covered from question number 1 to question number 6, because students are not able to see the answer. Everything is already given, but still if you are facing problem, then I am always here to help you. Okay, so see the question as well as the answer. So the first question: Tom did not answer when his aunt called out to him. Where was he? What was he doing? Okay, see the answer. Where is the answer? When his aunt called him out, Tom did not answer because he was near the cupboard and stealing the jam. Now, second question. Look behind you, auntie, shouted Tom. Why did Tom say so? There was no one behind aunt. He did this only for diverting her aunt's attention so that he could get chance to run away in order to save himself. You will write this in a single word. In order to save himself from punishment. Now, third number question. Why was it necessary to punish Tom? How did Aunt Polly punish him? See the answer. Very important question. It was necessary to punish Tom because she did not want him to grow up lazy and wicked. She punished Tom for stealing the jam by making him whitewash the fence on Saturday, which was a holiday. Question number 4. What was Tom doing? What was Tom doing when Ben was whitewashing the fence? See the answer. When Ben was whitewashing the fence, Tom sat there watching and eating an apple given by Ben. Now we have question number 5. What did Tom get from his friend for let them whitewash? See the answer. Tom got the best things from his friends. He got an apple from Ben. From other boys, he got 12 marbles, a tin soldier, a key, a dog's collar, the handle of a knife, and 4 pieces of orange. Now, sixth question. Why did Tom not like the painkiller? Whom did he give it to? See the answer. The painkiller was a new medicine. It had the taste of fire, so he did not like it. He gave it to a cat. In this way, we have finished our short answer type questions up to question number 6. In another video, I have covered from question number 7 and question number 8. In short answer type questions, we had only 8 questions, in which I have completed in this lecture up to question number 6. In another lecture, I have covered the remaining 2 questions of short answer type questions. Thank you very much.